So we just got this Honda Talon a couple weeks ago and we wanted to put our whip lights back on, so we had to get mounts for it. So we ordered these in the blue. They do come in other colors, but we got the blue to match our side-by-side, and they're pretty solid. They're made from aluminum alloy, and instead of being smooth clamps that just slip around, they've got locking teeth that actually bite into the roll cage, but no drilling or anything is required. You just clamp them around the bar and tighten them down and they don't move. You can rotate them pretty much however you want. They've got 360 degrees of adjustment, so you can line up your flag or light bar perfectly instead of being stuck at some weird angle. So you don't have to worry about your whip lights looking crooked. You can always adjust them. We're putting them on this Honda Talon, but they'll fit pretty much any Polaris, Can-Am, Yamaha. As long as your roll cage is between 1.75 and 2 inches, you're good to go. Installation literally took less than 5 minutes. Just clamp, tighten, and you're done. They're supposed to hold up to about 4.5 pounds, so flags, light bars, chase lights, whatever you want to bolt on, they won't bounce around even when you're hitting rough stuff. Plus, they're not going to rust or fade if you leave them out in the rain or sun, so we think they look great. We hope they work for you too, and I hope this video helps.